In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply adjustments to all clips in CapCut. If you're editing a project with multiple clips and want a consistent look, same color, brightness, or contrast across everything, this workflow will save you a ton of time. First, open CapCut. Give the editor a second to load, and make sure you're in a new or existing project where you can see the timeline. If you already have a draft, that's perfect. If not, a blank project is fine. We'll add footage next. Now, add your videos to the timeline. You can import multiple clips at once and drag them into sequence. Arrange them in the order you want, trim any excess if needed, and make sure each clip appears as separate segments on the timeline. The key here is that all the clips you want to match should be in the same project, visible in your timeline, so the changes can be applied consistently. Next, make your adjustments on a single reference clip. Select one clip that best represents the lighting or color you want to match. Look to the right side panel to find the adjustment controls. Here, you can tweak essentials like exposure, contrast, saturation, temperature, and highlights and shadows. Small changes go a long way. Nudge the sliders gently and watch the preview. If you're experimenting, try adjusting white balance to fix color casts, bump saturation slightly for punch, or refine contrast to add depth. Take your time to get the look right on this one clip. If something doesn't work, you can always undo. Once you're happy with the result, look at the right panel for the Apply to All option. Click that, and CapCut will copy those exact adjustment values to every other clip in your timeline. It's instant, and it keeps everything consistent without you having to repeat the tweaks manually. After applying, scrub through your edit to make sure the look holds up across different scenes. If a clip was shot in very different lighting and looks off, you can select that single clip and fine-tune it without affecting the others. Remember, the global change sets a baseline, and individual clips can still be adjusted as needed. A few quick tips to wrap up. Be mindful of over-adjusting, since strong changes can amplify noise or crush detail. Work at a comfortable zoom level so you can clearly see what's happening in the viewer. And if you need to revert, you can reset adjustments on a clip or use undo to step back. That's all you need to apply adjustments to all clips in CapCut quickly and confidently.